Hi, welcome back to Kimmy's Garage. Today I have a spoiler alert, or a sneak peek if you will, on a new front brake kit available here at Aerospace Components. Let's take a look at it. The new front brake kits available by Aerospace Components are for the 2004 to 2008 Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon trucks. This brake kit replaces the heavy sealed bearing hub assembly with the odd 6-lug 5.5 bolt pattern with a much later billet aluminum hub. The new hub has the more common 5-lug 4.5 to 4 3/4 lug patterns, which allows for more wheel options. Let's go over all the features that are included in this kit. Included in this kit are 4-piston billet aluminum calipers, aluminum hubs, stainless steel spindle, tapered bearings, aluminum caliper brackets, all your grade 8 hardware, and Hawk Performance brake pads. We offer 3 different types of rotors for this brake kit. We have the Pro Street drill slotted and plated rotors, we have the plain vented rotors, as well as the drag race only rotors. One of the greatest benefits from going from the stock brake kit to the new Aerospace Components brake kit is the huge weight savings, 60 pounds. That's awesome. You will not only save weight, you're going to improve your performance and the great looks to your new ride. So get yourself some lightning fast stopping power here at Aerospace Components. Thank you for joining me today on Kimmy's Garage, and I'll see you again soon.